Hey everybody, it's Mike here from Landon Customs. We got an awesome package coming today. Let's open it up. This is going to be so cool. I've been waiting for this one. Okay. So, the people over at Hykoont sent me this awesome flashlight. Doesn't that look just freaking cool as hell? As you can see, it has a little pole that retracts and comes out of it with floodlights on it for mechanicing stuffs. We'll look at the end here. Just push down to open the stand, push up to lock the stand. That's cool. Press down to fold the stand. There's some little illustrations on here so you know how to use it. And then on this side, says we have a digital power display, mobile phone charging. It's a power bank, hanging handle, and Type-C charging. So you just plug your phone cord into it, charge it up. I've been really needing a flashlight. My Nebo one kind of bit the dust on me. See here. Open our package here. Got it right by the handle. Comes with an instruction guide. Looks like pretty good instructions. And it comes with a USB-C cable for charging it, or to plug into it and charge your phone. Let's unwrap her here. We're going to do some cool exploring with this. I got some things in mind. So we're going to turn this on. It says it's at 100% charged. And that is bright. I'll have to look. I believe this said 5,000 lumens in the guide. I'll get back to you on that when we get ready to go on an adventure here. Let's see here. Oh, there you go. There's a leg folded out. You hit these little buttons on the side. You push them up and they fold out. That neat. Then it'll stand like this. Gives it a little more support than just on this flat part here. And it says press down to fold the stand. Okay. Each one's got a little button here to release it. You press down and then you can fold it back up. Cool. Cool, cool, right? Pretty awesome flashlight here. Okay. Then when we sit her down, we can pull this out and put these panels however we want them. Let's see. Okay, that's the cob panel. We got different brightnesses. Got like a different colors there. Cool. Cool, cool. Be great for working under a car or whatever. And then you can put these panels out. Let's see, push this in. We can put these panels out to the sides so we use them while they're in. Or we can flip these suckers, push them in like that, then they're covered. Should we turn these off so we can not waste all our battery. We're going to go do some cave exploring again, I believe, here. Might have to see if we get a friend to go with us, but that's just the coolest flashlight. Push these in, lock them in place here. So you gotta have this little button down here and then push it up, locks those solid into place. And then where's our charging port here? Probably behind something here. 1 second. Oh, right here, duh. Says right on it. USB. Pull this out. There's our USB-A and USB-C. The USB-A is for charging your phone or whatever. USB-C is for charging the flashlight. Can't believe I didn't see that, I'm blind. But yeah, well, there's our unboxing, a little demonstration there. And we'll go put her to use. So stick with us here, and you'll see how it works when it gets dark out. So okay, I'm gonna do this clip with the GoPro because I need to show you my phone. All I did, plug my cord into my phone, pop this little tab up on here, the USB-A, I turn it on, give us some more light. The USB-A is for charging your stuff, and the USB-C is for charging the flashlight itself. So we get our USB-A the right way here, plug her in, and it'll automatically come on. Okay, you gotta have the light off, I guess. And there, the phone is charging. Says 10 minutes till full, 9 minutes till full. So I think it gives me the same numbers as my good wall charger, so it has fairly high output. So there we go. It shows the light is at 57%. You see that with the glare from the light. But yeah, really cool looking light, really handy. I like it. Okay, here we got the new flashlight set up like we're changing a tire. See, you can move these cob panels however you want them. Get a really good view there. And with the pole, and we got the little tripod feet down. Got her extended all the way. So a little higher than knee high. Pretty cool. We pop our hood here. Okay, over by the little handle deal there you can hang it by. Pop our hood here. See, I got it on the ground. You can already see well enough. Oh, there it is. Forget where my hood prop goes. Looks like we need to clean the engine here. Anyway, there you go. You can check something out under the hood. Just tip those cobs however you want them. Set that thing up. It's got good support with those tripod legs. Check your oil. Add fluids, whatever you gotta do here in the dark. I really like this light. It's used the heck out of it already. Do a little video also in the daytime. We're gonna take and we got it down to 61% now. We're gonna use the power bank feature, and I'll show it charging my phone. So there's our car demo. Okay, we got the Hykoont flashlight out here in the cave. We got one of the side lights on, the cob LEDs on here, so you can see the side of the wall and that. Thing is so bright. You got bright, medium, low, and strobe mode. Then we can turn this upside down here. We already got our legs out. And we can set these lights like this and see everything we want to see here. Have a nice stand light to light up the area here. And then if you want, you can collapse this down and carry it by the little handle, or it has a handle to hang it from things like in a tent or something. But yeah, it has a convenient gauge here. If we get the camera to focus on it, it tells you how much power you got. You can't get it to get it with all the light, but it says we're at 93% battery. Yeah, we like this with this hanging out. And we can see the side and in front of us really well. You see it shines a really long distance. A lot of humidity in here today. You see all the graffiti on the walls here. Figured we'd come down, brought Bella Dog, and we are doing some exploring. Okay, y'all, so from all the testing I've done so far, taking this fishing, taking it in the caves, doing car stuff, charging my phone, I really like this light. It's a great flashlight. Seems to be quality made, pretty tough. And I'd like to give a big shout out to the people over at Hykoont for giving me the opportunity to test this and giving me the product for free so that I could do a review for you guys. And if you check in my description, you'll find a link to get your own. So hope y'all have a great day, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.